Hi everyone, it's me Van, back at it again for another tutorial. So today we're doing a get ready with me church edition. So I'm taking you to church. So we're just starting with our foundation as usual, but I'm mixing my LA Colors foundation with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in the shade 400. I decided to try this mix to see if I like the LA Colors foundation a little more, to give it a little more brightness. So as usual, I'm just cream contouring my face, applying concealer. So I'm just blending everything out, and I'm using my Makeup Revolution banana powder as usual to set my entire face, well, just to set the areas that I highlighted. Also, if I don't show any product in the video, I would leave it in the description below, so don't forget to check that out to see all the products that I used in this tutorial, well, tutorial / get ready with me. So I'm using this really nice pink highlighter from NYX, and I think it will go with the whole pink theme of this tutorial. And as usual, don't forget to blend your highlight out. And now for the eyes, I'm priming my eyelids with my WetnWIld Photo Focus Concealer. I really like this for priming the eyelids. It gives a really nice base for everything to stick to. So we're going in with a bright, kind of light pink eyeshadow to transition in the crease. And then we're just going to darken it up and just go in with some more dark pink eyeshadow. And now we're going for this really neon pink. I think this is a shade from my Urban Decay Electric palette. I can't remember the name, but I'll leave it in the description below. So we're just kind of stamping that in the crease and just blending out the edges because I wanted it to be really intense. And now I'm just kind of cutting like my eyelid. I'm just applying some of the same concealer just to get the eyeshadows to stick a little better to my eyelids and to pop more. So now we're going in with a light pink shade. This is the same shade that I used in my crease as a transition, and we're applying this on the first half of our eyelid. And now I'm going in with a really nice pink shimmery shade for the outer part of my eyelid and just blending it together with the matte. If you have big eyes, this technique works really well and it looks really nice on big eyes with like a matte shade on the inner half and then like a shimmery shade on the outer half. And we're going for some red lips, so I'm just lining my lips with a lip brush and the liquid lipstick that I'm going to use, and then we're just filling it all in with that same liquid lipstick. And yes, I do wear a lot of makeup to church because I don't really go out at night, and it's like the one time where I could do lashes and everything and really go all out with my makeup. So I really enjoy doing that. And once I apply lashes, and yeah, the whole look is done, and this is my look for church. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos. I post every Sunday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. You gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of option, cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop. And then when you get to top, and I see that you've been learning, and when I take you shopping, you spend it like you earned it. And when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you were